Hello guys. Oh, yes. Today is August 28th. It's Esther's birthday tomorrow. So, since today is Wednesday, I'll go to Malatapay. And what happened to you? And buy some seasonings. So, Esther's birthday story start here. So, we'll go to Malatapay and we will buy pig. I hope it's cheap there, guys. So, be with us, guys. Here, guys, look. A lot of flowers. Wow. Nice. Pila po na yung mga orchids siya?
Inog na na, ma'am.
Pila din na siya, te?
60 din ka, ma'am.
Here, guys. We're already here. Ha? There's a lot of goat and pig.
Ya daw. Medyo na pa hangyo ari. Tupig batog dako na rin. Ay ganito ka kon ari oh. Oh. Ari. Suro ka nire hatang.
Now, guys, we haven't found yet. So, we're still waiting for some pigs when it becomes cheap. While we are waiting some pigs, guys. We will eat here with Mama. Let's eat, guys. So, guys, right now I'm buying seasonings. After this, I'll go home and prepare roast chicken and anything. I forgot that I will also buy balloons. Isag to nga, kapilya? They will not release there in that gate without ticket, so I'll give this ticket to the owner of the sidecar who will carry the pig. We are here where she sell this spiritual beliefs. I believe this. Nag-asa day ka, te?
Taga sikyo ko na rin.
Wow.
Kuyo, kaya na naman may nga mga mga ba nagyod. Dagan ako mananamban, mga manak namban ko ko namban.
Mama wants to buy this. Kasi ngalan na te.
Kalupis na diri.
Kalupis, guys. Yung usay ingredients na te.
Gatas ra.
Gatas. Wow. So, I want to eat also. I want to try. So, guys, after in Malatapay, I'm here. I will buy balloons. After this, I will buy spaghetti and go home. Take rest a while. Then, let's start. She's searching that balloon that has the first. Nga galista, oh.
Video.
Apel ng customer. Guwapa. Guys, right now I'm buying this spaghetti.
Yes, hello, good morning.
Makauli ragjud ko ron, guys. Masakit na akong tiyan.
Kapit na.
I'm home now, guys. Esther is crying. Say hi.
Yes,
Happy birthday.
Katawa na siya masam ko.
Hi.
Kisa na. Oh.
Say hi. Mama is here. It's already 9:35 p.m. and Mama is slicing this pork. Then after that, I will cook this pork humba. Guys, good morning. Today is August 29. It's her birthday today. It's already 8:30 a.m. I'm here in town. I will buy cake. I sleep just 2 hours last night, guys. Yes, because I'm cooking and putting designs. Cakes, guys. I don't know which one. Yes. Tagpilang cake? 360. 360 each. Philippines, guys, we have some beliefs that if it's his birthday, the blood of the animal we will put in the forehead or here or anywhere in the body that there is pulse. So we will put a goat blood to Zandy.
Oh, go. Ma. Pwede magkasuyo. Gidre. Imulpos duha kay imulpos.
I-cross! Ay, i-cross! I-cross!
Duha na nagakay to kada.
Ay, tawag ka.
Oh. Oh.
Luto na yan, oh. Dali na kayong pula.
Kito is making this broom. It's not broom. It's just stick for hot dog. Hot dog and marshmallow. Just for kids. They love color. Well, the lechon is ready now. Let's eat, everybody. There is a spaghetti, corn, kari-kari, bicholas, bihon, disantis, and cake, of course. Happy birthday, Esther. Happy birthday, happy first birthday, baby. More birthdays to come. Thank you, God. So guys, thank you for watching. Again, happy birthday, Esther. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget, yes, to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much, guys. Lang, you say thank you. Oh. So we're done preparing the foods, guys. So let's eat. Let's eat, everybody.